Welcome to math course. Now we are studying math for grade 6 first term, and this is November revision. Now we have model number 4. Let's get started. We have first question. Choose the correct answer. Point number 1, the inequality that represents the statement all values to the right of 0 on number line is which one of them is the correct one. Now again, all values to the right, we have some number line like this. We have here what? We have 0. Okay, to the right, that's mean go to positive. Go to left, that's mean go to negative. Now he said go to right of 0. Now this part, okay, this part I can write it as x greater than or less than, of course greater than, equal or not equal, he said to the right of 0 but not 0, so I will not write this equal sign here. So x greater than 0, x greater than 0 is the right one. Okay, next point. If the amount of fuel consumed by the car depends on the distance traveled, then the dependent variable is. Now we have two variables. First, fuel consumed depends on what? Depends on this. Depends on what? Distance traveled. Now, as you travel, as you consume fuel, okay? Now, if you have some car, okay, and you walk, you travel, okay, every time you travel more than you use fuel, like gasoline or petrol, okay? So which one, distance or fuel, is the independent? The independent is the distance and the dependent is fuel consumption, okay? Now here we have fuel consumed by car depend on the first one is the dependent variable and the second is the independent variable. Now again, dependent on the first variable is the dependent and the second variable is the independent variable. He asked us about the independent variable. Which one independent? Depend on what? On distance. So distance is the independent. So distance traveled is the independent variable. Point 3, we have y equal force x minus 2 and x equal what? Equal 8. Then y equal space. We have some equation here. Y equal force x minus 2 and I have value of x and I need to find the value of y. So first I have equation with two variables. This is the dependent and x is the independent. Now I know the value of the independent variable. Just substitute it to the equation to find the other value, okay? Now just do it. Y equal force of what? Of x equal 8 minus 2. Now you can calculate these numbers and get the value of y. So y equal force 8. What's the meaning of force 8? I know force 8, force 1 over 4 multiply 8. Don't forget that 8 over 1. Any integers have some denominator equal 1. Now 1 over 4 multiply 8 over 1 minus 2. That's equal. First, do multiply or subtract? Of course, multiply. So, this first operation. Now, I will multiply numerator with numerator. 1 by 8 equal 8. 4 by 1 equal 4. Don't forget minus 2. That's equal. 8 over 4. I can divide both of them by 4. 8 by 4 equal 2. 4 by 4 equal 1. Now 2 over 1 equal 2 minus 2. That's equal 0. Now 0 is the value of what? The value of y. So choose 0. Go to next. Point 4. 6 to power 0 and 6 to power 6. Which one greater than the other? Note with me. This is point number 4. Don't forget. What's the meaning of 6 power 0? Any integer to power 0 equal what? Equal 1. Like 5 power 0 equal 1. 4 power 0 equal 1. Any number power 0 equal 1. Whatever this number are. This number is. Okay? 10 power 0 equal 1. Now, 6 power 0 equal 1. Okay? Okay. But 0 power 6. 0 power 6. What's the meaning of 0 power 6? 0 power 6 equal 0 by 0 by 0 by 0 by 0 by 0. 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 by 0 equal what? Equal 0. But 6 power 0 equal 1. Now, which one is the greatest? 1 or 0? Of course, 1 greater than 0. So, 1 greater than 0. That's mean greater is the correct answer. Where is greater here? Of course, here we have less than, equal, greater than, greater or equal. So, choose greater than. Okay. Question number 5. Which of the following values is a solution of the inequality x less than 9? First, to draw your number line and put here 9 anywhere. Okay, now look to the choose. First, the choose is 10. Where is 10? 10 may be here, right? Okay, but x less than 9. Is 10 less than 9? No. Okay, next. 9.1. Where is 9.1? To right or to left? Of course, it may be here. 9.1. Now 9.1 greater than 9, and this is the opposite of the inequality. False. Next one, negative 9.0. Where is 9.0 with negative sign? No, it's not 9. It's negative 9.0. Maybe there to the negative direction, right? Of course, negative is less than the positive. Of course, this is the right solution. But 9 itself, no, of course not. There is no equal here. Go to next. The inequality that represents all values greater than 4. Now I have 4 on the number line. Greater than, that's mean go to right, to positive direction. That's right? Okay. But, so x will be greater than 4. Did he say or equal 4? No, there is no or equal 4, just greater than 4 without equal. So I will not put the equal sign here. So x greater than 4. Where is x greater than 4? Here. Point 7. If y to power 2 equals 36, then the value of y equal what? What's the meaning of y power 2? Y power 2, that's mean y by y equals 36. Now, which is the number? I multiply it by itself to get 36. Of course, 6 by 6 equals 36. So the value of y is 6. Go to next. Second, complete. First point, 7 to power 3. Blank by blank by blank. 7 by 7 by 7. Why? 7 power 3, this means I multiply 7 3 times. Point 2, x plus 3 equal 8. Then x equal what? I just have some equation like this. Okay, now I need to find the value of x. I need to find x equal what, right? Now I need to put x alone. Look here to this side. We have what? We have x, okay, but we have plus 3. I need to get rid of this positive 3. Send it to the other side. How? Every item of our equation without a change, but I will send positive 3 to the other side as negative 3. Now x equal what? 8 minus 3 equal 5. Next point, the inequality that represents all values greater than or equal to 6. Note with me, greater than or equal. Greater than, that's mean this sign. Equal to put this sign. Okay? All values, so I have x here. Greater than or equal what? 6. Put 6 here. Now I have inequality x greater than or equal 6.4. The in equation 8x equal y. What's the independent variable? Note with me, 8x equal y. Always the alone variable. It's alone here, so it's the dependent. And the other variable is the independent. Direct. Okay? He asked us about the independent. So the independent, not y, of course x. Third question. Is questions. Point 1. If y plus 6 equal 11, then y equal what? Just easy. We have equation. I need to find the value of y. Y here with what? With plus x plus 6. So send this 6 to the other side. I have two sides. We have 11 here. We have y, but plus 6, send it to the other side with opposite sign, negative 6. Okay, now y equal what? 11 minus 6 equal 5. Okay, go to next question of our model number 4. Not with me. Nader had discount card. What's the meaning of discount card? Of what? 50 pound in closing the store. Not with me. Now I need to understand what's the meaning of this statement. I have discount card of 50 pounds in a clothing store. If you will buy some pants like this, okay, now if its price is 150, okay, but you have discount card of what? Of 50. So you will pay what? You will pay its price? No, you will pay its price minus discount card. Now you will pay 100 pounds. Okay, complete. Now he asks us to complete the following table. So the first question, to complete table, this number 1. Okay, where? Variable x. X represents the value of purchase before the discount. What? Before the discount, like the origin price. Okay, now x, so the price is x before discount. Okay, and y? It represents the value of purchase after discount. That's the mean the amount of money you will pay. You will pay what? Y. After discount. Okay, so in this example, 150 represents x, 100 represents y. Okay, now write an equation. This is question number 2. write equation number 2. Show the relationship between y and x. So equation between x and y, okay? And then represent it graphically. This is question number 3. Now, our question have 3 parts. First part, I need to complete this table. Second part, I need to write this equation. And third one, to graph this relation. Now, start with it step by step. First part, I need to complete this table, okay? Okay, note with me. I have x equal 300, sorry, okay? Note with me, y equal what? What's the meaning of x? X represent what? The price before what? Before discount. And y, what you will pay, okay? Now, what had done here? Here we have x is 150 and y 100. That means I just subtract 50. Now, if I will buy something with 300, after discount 50 will be 250. If the origin price 350, I will pay 300. The origin price is 400. I will pay what? 340. Now, note with me, x is blank and y given. Now, every time I just subtract 50 from 300, 50 from 350, 50 from 400. Now it's opposite. Now, every time you go from x to y, you will subtract 50. But the opposite operation, you will add 50. If you pay 400, the origin price was what? Was 450. So, we finished the first part of our question. Second part. Now, it's easy for me to write this equation. Why? I know what x, what y, and what's the relation between them. Now, I know that what you will pay, y is the dependent, so it's alone here, okay? And the independent variable is the origin price, which I will subtract from him 50. So I will pay what? X, but subtract 50. This is your equation between y and x. Y dependent, x independent, and this is part number 2. Now the last part, it's question number 3. Graphically represent this relation graphically. Now we have coordinate plan. Here we have x, we have y. X values here 300, 350, 400, 450. That means I increase by what? Every time by 50. Increase by 50, increase by 50. So our scale here will be plus 50. If I start with 0, okay, that will be what? 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450. That is the biggest one, okay? But on y-axis, here we have y, 250, 300, 350, 400, just I increase with what? With 50. Now, start with 0, after 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, may 450. Okay, now I need to draw every ordered pair. What's the meaning of ordered pair? Note with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ordered pair. We have 4 ordered pair here. Sorry. So we have ordered pair. First order pair, which one? 30 and 350 and 250. That's right? No, that's false. Not with me. X and Y. X and Y. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 ordered pair. First one 300 and 250. Second one 350 of X and 300. 350 and 300. Another one 400 and 350. Last ordered pair 450 and 400. X and Y. Every value of X I will represent it on X-axis and Y on Y-axis. First ordered pair 300 and 250. 300 from here and what? And 250 from here. Now I need to go this direction and this direction from X. You will meet each other here. So the first point. Next point 350 go up to meet what? To meet 300. Where's 300? Here. So it will meet here. Third point 400 go up to meet what? To meet 350. Okay, this point would be here. Last point we have 450 go up to 400. Go up to 400, you will meet each other here. Now we have 4 points. I need to match this 4 points and make a row. Not with me, use your ruler. Okay, I will start from the first point and go up, but with some extent, like this one. Okay, and easy to make this row. Now, you finish the third part of our question. I can say that you end your model number 4, okay, and meet you in other revision model, and thank you.